Inveresk Railway Workshops commenced servicing steam locomotives and rolling stock in the early 1870s. The buildings of the Blacksmith Shop were built between 1909 and 1937. Blacksmith and other tradesmen worked in the area shaping metal with either hand tools or a variety of mechanical hammers. In 1923, a new light reinforced concrete workshop was Australia's largest such building. Before 1939, the workshops built wooden carriages and wagons, and during the Second World War, they undertook defensive work, such as making shell cases, mortar bomb components, and gauges. When diesel power replaced steam in the 1950s, a diesel workshop was established to service the new locomotives, and the workshops constructed aluminium wagons, logging wagons, refrigerated containers, and passenger carriages. The Blacksmith Shop was in operation until the site closed in 1994 and now forms part of the Queen Victoria Museum and Art Gallery.